Hello guys, welcome to GK class. Today we will learn some important full forms. So let's start the video. First question, what is the full form of CID? Answer option A, Crime Investigation Department. What is the full form of ED? Correct answer is option C, Enforcement Directorate. What is the full form of CBI? Answer option D, Central Bureau of Investigation. Next question, what is the full form of IRS? Answer option B, Indian Revenue Service. What is the full form of IPS? Correct answer is option A, Indian Police Service. What is the full form of DM? Correct answer is option E, District Magistrate. What is the full form of DR? Answer option B, Doctor. What is the full form of PhD? Answer option C, Doctor of Philosophy. What is the full form of BP? Correct answer is option A, blood pressure. What is the full form of OTP? Answer is option C, on time password. Next question, what is the full form of www? Answer option D, World Wide Web. What is the full form of QR code? Correct answer option B, Quick Response Code. What is the full form of buy? Answer option C, be with you every time. Next question, what is the full form of TV? Correct answer option D, television. What is the full form of HD? Answer option A, high definition. What is the full form of 3D? Correct answer option B, three-dimensional. What is the full form of IPL? Answer option D, Indian Premier League. Next question, what is the full form of UPI? Answer option B, Unified Payments Interface. What is the full form of PAYTM? Answer option A, Pay through mobile. What is the full form of GPay? Correct answer is option B, Google Pay.